Try, adapt, learn. In this video, we will try to troubleshoot and fix a no crank, no start issue with the electrical system in a SCAG Cheetah zero-turn mower. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. We will begin the troubleshooting process by checking the voltage of the battery, which is located under the bottom of the seat. As seen, the voltage is 12.75, which is more than enough to crank the engine to start it. While we are near the battery, we will begin by first disconnecting the negative battery cable. Since this is a no crank, no start issue, we will continue to troubleshoot it. Also near the battery are the two blade fuses, which we will check. Both were recently changed and are in new condition as demonstrated by the connection in the middle. Starting under the seat, the contact area of the safety switches and connectors were checked and cleaned. The cleaning continued with the safety switch and connector for the right control. The safety switch and connector for the left control was then cleaned. Although not shown in the footage, the switching connector for the brake right below the left control was also cleaned. The connectors for the electric PTO switch were cleaned. The connectors for the ignition key switch were cleaned. Testing on the safety switches can be done with the continuity test setting on the multimeter. When the value is 1, this would mean that there is an open circuit and the electricity would not flow through. As seen with this wire, when the value goes to 0, there is continuity and electric can flow through. Open circuits could be caused by wires cut, disconnected wires, or bad connections. To test each of the safety switches, the multimeter wires were connected to each of the two connectors. While pushing the button down, the value goes to 0, indicating that there is continuity in the switch. This test was repeated for all safety switches. This means that if everything is set to the starting position with the switch like the seat, brake, and controls, electricity will flow through the switch and close the electrical circuit needed to start the engine. I could hear the switch was engaging the PTO when connected. However, I have included this video footage to demonstrate how to test for continuity on the PTO switch. Although I did not have a schematic wiring diagram for the PTO switch, as seen, a check for continuity can be done with two connectors in multiple locations. The test reinforced the fact that the PTO switch is functional since there is continuity when the switch is in the up position, which would engage the blades. Some multimeters also have an audio beep to indicate continuity. We can reconnect the negative battery cable to continue with electrical testing, but please note that while removing and reinstalling individual electrical parts, the battery should be disconnected. As seen, each of the wires for the connections of the safety switches can be checked for voltage. The wires to the starter and the solenoid can also be checked for voltage. For demonstration purposes, this can also be done with a 12-volt automotive test light. With all other tests okay, it was determined that for this issue the problem was the electrical module specific to this vehicle. As seen, the fastener at the top was disconnected, and either by a combination by vibration or by heat, this also led to further damage. The new module was installed in the location near the starter. A couple of notes are again, first, the battery was disconnected when uninstalling and reinstalling the module. Second, the connector for this module was difficult to pull apart. With the new module installed, one last check to the battery connections was done and the mower was able to start up without any problems thereafter. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.